Rich in taste and quick to make. Fresh veggies, smoky spices, and tangy tomatoes. Now that's a well-balanced meal. Roughly chop the onion, the parsley, and the pepper. Drain and rinse the chickpeas. Heat a drizzle of olive oil in a large frying pan. Cook the pepper, onion, and the chorizo until slightly softened and golden. Then add the chickpeas and stir. Reduce the heat to medium. Add the paprika spice blend and cook until fragrant. Now add the tomatoes, water, and brown sugar. Stir until combined and season with some salt and pepper. Using the back of your wooden spoon, make small wells in the mixture and crack the eggs into each well. Cover with a lid and simmer until the eggs are set. If you like your eggs more runny, take the pan off the heat sooner. While the eggs cook, toast or grill the sourdough slices to your liking. Divide the shakshuka between bowls and sprinkle with feta and parsley. Serve with the sourdough and enjoy. This is your easy way to a hearty and filling meal with a creamy texture.